Guys, here at Brayford level crossing in Lincoln with Joe and Adam.
That barrier's creaking, that one over there, Joe. Sense still on the timer. Down. Down.
There we go. Now. The time now is 09:24 on Tuesday the 16th of August 2016. This is for our 09:25 2 Romeo 09 Northern 2 Romeo 11 Northern Service to Adwick. Does that barrier hit the floor here?
No. And this is for your 9:25 2 Romeo 11 Northern Service to Adwick.
You reckon it hits the ground there or does it come down?
No. Depends how stiff it is. No, that doesn't hit the ground. I don't think it would normally. Try it. No, it's too stiff. See, it only bounces that much, wouldn't it?
What's it about?
Really? Really, Joe? Really? I brought my iPod Nano today, didn't
Yeah?
I?
What, your GoPro?
Yes.
Here it comes.
I was going to film on it at Lincoln Central, but you got here before me, and I thought you'd get here after me. And
I would have done, but you told me you was being here for about 8 o'clock, which I actually believe, so I came early.
I said in between 8:30 and 9 o'clock. You could have got
We
here
have
right
144
now. 144.
010, sorry, 010. 44010 to Adwick via games for Retford, Wiltshire, Sheffield and Doncaster. And should be going up.
Oh, there you go. Did you hear the hiss
Yes,
before
I
it
did.
goes up? Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next one.
That's a video.